turn on your video. Welcome everyone. आज हम गए 2021 आज last Gurukul class. So thank you all for attending. And I hope all the kids had fun in the past 2 years. All the teachers definitely had a lot of fun. We really enjoyed your company. And thank you to all the all the Gurukul teachers because तुम्ही इतले time दिल्या in the past 2 years, personal time, and that too on weekends, on every Saturday that we had class. तुम्ही तुमगल personal programs पूरा you set it aside for the Gurukul class, so we really appreciate all the efforts you all have put in, and not just during class, even all the prep that you did for class. शिकवून जाका research कुछ topics त्याचे materials prepare करचे चेडवांक शिकवचे. So we really appreciate तुम्ही इतले effort घाल, all of you. Rupa, Chetan, Mummy, Papa, Namrata, Prashant, Venkat, Sadhana, and Pranav and Pia. You both have been very good teachers assistants, so not to forget the little teachers. So thank you all for all your efforts. Really appreciate it. Tum kal today is the last class, so if you want to tell anything to the students before we start the class.
Preeti and everyone, Arun just told me to tell you all that today is the final run of his program, so he can't attend.
No problem.
Tangal go live was Tamithi.
And Papa's always helped behind the scenes to create so much material, so thank you. Chetan, Rupa, tum monche sa kale chedwanka.
I just want to say that, it's very important to learn our language and culture because we are in US. We don't directly see if in India, then you are immersed in that culture. Matra hangastana, it is like, you have to make efforts to learn it. And if you do not do that, then, you will cut yourself from the roots, which is our India, our Bharat, So that's why it's very important that you should continue to learn these things, speak in Konkani at home. And and at least do prayers maybe once in a day at least, like today we are going to teach Shubham Karoti. That's a good prayer to say in the evening, so do that. And yeah, that's all. And so and have fun. It is
fun teaching you past 2 years.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Namrata, Prashant, tum sangche sir, anything to the kids?
Na gammat jalla cherdu ang pura shikochaka, so it was really fun. In person asla ani ke gammat jatte shila, but but online was mala cherdu anka they other than the regular class tangele, so they had to attend the Gurukul online session also, so a lot of patience they have shown. Right. Magiri, no, the good thing is we have recorded all these sessions, so those we can always refer back. Kids can always refer back, and then Mala Kench Festival kasala celebrate karta chi. So all those recordings are there. So this is a material which you can cherish for, which you can store that forever. So it will be available if you want to listen to this anytime in the future. So yeah.
Well, and it was fun creating the quizzes for the kids and to prepare activities with them, how they kind of prepared whatever we asked them to do and showcased it so nicely. So it was a really nice thing to do.
Thank you, Prashant. Thank you, Namrata. I think Venkat has now. Venkat, Sadhana, you want to say anything to the kids?
Mast gammat dale. It's like it was really fun. Prashant and Sangil Manke, this is an extra class for all the kids, but they used to join and actively participate karta shilinche. The som kai bhari gammat dale, and it was fun interacting with all the teachers before the class. What to mail no discuss korche. The companionship amk bhari andale, and thanks to you, Kedar and Preeti, for actively encouraging and participating. Pura tumgele encouragement and support is something that we really have to appreciate, as well as Kunal and Khushi.
So they have been there for every class, and they always encourage us to, you know, be there and participate. So it's really nice.
Yeah, that's true.
Thank you, Sadhana. Thank you, Venkat. Mummy, Tukala Montesa to all the kids.
Yes. Thanks to all the kids, thanks to all the teachers, thanks to Kedar, Preeti, and we had a wonderful time with the kids and them trying to talk a little bit of Konkani here and there. आणि तुमच्याकडे चेड वांका advice घारा जलतितले तुम्ही कोंकणी उलोवंचे ट्राय कराती आणि whatever small prayers we have taught you, please say it every day. आणि तुम्ही मुखारी भगवान जावंका आणि तुमकां सगळं बरें जावं म्हणून आमगेल विश. Thank you.
Thank you. Kedar, Tukala Montesa to the kids.
एक मिनिट मगल हंगा झूम कलगी झाल्या
तू त्या होस्ट असेल मितस का?
वय वय
हम्म.
वय सो एक सेकंड वय सो इट वाज अ फन जर्नी थ्रू आउट दिस पास्ट 2 years and पहिला हम ऑनलाइन स्टार्ट केले and it was a fun there itself in Sanatan Dharma Kendra temple, and then we moved to online because of COVID, but interacting with the teachers for developing all these materials and all the students joining in, participating, it was really fun. And definitely hope the teachers continue this culture going forward and cherish whatever has been done for the past 2 years.
Definitely. Thank you, Kedar. In fact, in person, it was so much fun. So after all these variants and after everything is safe, even Gurukul class, not even if it's not just for class, we can all meet and have fun and remember things and, we can do that. So with all the nostalgic discussion, shall we get into the class?
Yes.
Okay. Amika, start karta thi. All the kids, can you turn on your videos, please? Vakratunda Vatumani ava. If you all can unmute.
Vakratunda Nirvignam kurme deva sarvakareshu sarvada.
Thank you. Do you all remember at the beginning of class, Amik slide paletani? Now we all say without seeing. That itself is a good accomplishment for all of you. Thank you so much. Ata sarva mangala mangalya manya, huh? Sarva
सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते.
Thank you, everyone. Aji, today we'll be talking about a god. I won't tell you which one because you're supposed to guess after the slides start. And it's related to a festival that is coming up. Okay, or else I'll give out all the suspense. I'll share the slides and Sheila Pachi will go through this session for you. Oh, Kedar, can you enable sharing?
Vaikelatam.
Okay, let's see. Okay, mommy, start.
Hello everyone. Today I'll be telling you a short description about a very nice Devu. आणि म्हाका एक सांगात before I start the actual topic, Do you all love dogs?
Yeah.
Yes, you all love? Okay. आणि आजी खंयची देवाल बद्दल आमी उलयतात पळय त्या देवाकय डॉग्स म्हणून भारी मस्त लाईक he loves dogs, I believe. See, the dog is also nodding his head. So now you all said you like dogs, right? Now there is one god, he also used to like dogs very much. Can you guess anyone? Kantadevu. Tagal Suttu, around whenever you see his picture, Tagal Suttu, Sunyastati, Chari.
Sharvan raise केला hand.
Oh, okay. Corner. Answer.
Mute काढी शर्व.
Dattatreya.
Ah, very good. Very good. Dattatreya. That dava lagi. Whenever you see a picture, see, the picture has come. Pala, Dattatreya Devu, tagal lagi chari sunyasati. Ani ek kawasa. No, Ani, the davaka, you notice that he's got 3 heads. Okay? All that we'll tell you now. Okay? Okay? This god is called Lord Dattatreya. आणि ताका अनेक नाव असं दत्ता म्हणून आणि अनेक नाव असं गुरुदेव दत्ता म्हणून. ओके, सो दीज आर द डिफरंट नेम्स दे कॉल हिम बाय. आणि ह्या देवाक दिस दत्तात्रेया was born to a sage. Sage म्हणा गोतस नव्हे, to a very pious म्हणारी भारी लायक मनुष्य. ताका नाव गुरु अत्री म्हणून. गुरु अत्री. आणि तागल बैलेगल नाव वाइफ्स नेम was Anusuya. Hanka they wanted a child, and for a long time she was praying to God, you know, makek cherudu zai, makek bab zai. Ani she was praying for a very with lot of reverence and perseverance. She was praying, okay, and she was praying to the gods, saying, Brahma, Vishnu, and Maheshwar. Tungal sakkadangale guna, tang guna, magale charadantu yonka. She wished that all the good qualities in Brahma, Vishnu, and Ishwar must come in her to be born child. And she went on praying. And mar ek divaso taggai davani ekai gomtochi bab dilo ani, and they named him Datta. Datta malakale. Datta means given. Datta means given. Who gave this child to Anusuya and Atri? Hatag zana davani. Who are they? Brahma, Vishnu, and Maheshwar, Ishwar. Okay. So tanni tigal prayers aikuno tigal bab desuno tigal bab dilla. And tanni dillal miti. The child was given by these 3 gods to her, Anusuya. Tamiti, they named that baby Datta. And because he was the child of the sage Atri, he was also known as, the child was also known as Dattatreya. That is how the name Dattatreya came. Dattatreya, Manari, given to Atreya, okay, or given to Atri. So that is why he is called Lord Dattatreya. Atta Hedavaka Umiplayati. Next slide, please. Now Lord Dattatreya was a sage or a monk or a sannyasi. Very simple. He used to just wear simple clothes. Ani ek rudraksha maal astale. Ani very, very pious. Ani to Hindus, sakra Hindus taka worship kartati, pray kartati. Okay. Ani he is also said to be, just now I told you, he was a gift from Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva to Atri, sage Atri and Anusuya. That's why Dattatreya is considered as an avatar of the three Hindu gods, Brahma, Vishnu, and Ishwar. Okay. Amiti, a picture clearly padayati. There are 4 dogs. There is 1 cow. The name of the cow is, can I guess karu zaidve?
Nandi.
Nahi. Is called Kamadhenu. Okay, the name of this cow is called Kamadhenu. Okay, and always the 4 dogs used to always go with Dattatreya Dava to Jyotali. Okay, now at Davaka, you have noticed 3 heads and 6 hands, 3 heads and 6 hands. Okay, because he is an incarnation of 3 gods. Now, next one. Such a beautiful picture now. And Lord Dattatreya carries the items that symbolize the Trimurti. Trimurti malakana Brahma, Vishnu, Ishwar. And Tangal Hatantu Kalkala Shilpada, all the symbols which symbolize these 3 gods, same things are carried by Dattatreya. In his lowest hands, he holds a Japamala, this Thursday, in his right hand. Ani eka kamandalu. Kamandalu is a water pot that is held in his left hand. The middle 2 hands, they hold the damru. Damru malari Ishwar al-Hatastana. Taka 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 awaz atta. I think Venkat Maman Dakila Lake in class antu is a small little drum which Shiva holds in his hand. Ani Trishula. Trishula is the trident, you can see. Okay. And the topmost hands, they hold a conch. Conch malari shanku. You know, but mampla, daulantu, they blow kornik avas kartat during puja time. That is called conch or amchigalana tak shanku mandati. And in the other hand, he has the chakra. Yeah. So, Hadevu is very important to all the Hindus, remember? And he is always the type who is the giving type. Konel kalle wish kelari mast pray ko kela takapa amgal wish fulfill karta. Now we talk about the 4 dogs and the 1 cow beside him. The cow's name I told you is Kamadhenu. And the 4 dogs which are always with the Dattatreya Davavatu, they represent the 4 Vedas. The 4 Vedas are Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Samveda, and Atharva Veda. Okay. Now, as you grow bigger and bigger, we'll be talking about all these details. You will come to know, of course, about all the details of the Vedas. First style, last style, all that we'll come to know later. Now, Kamadhenu, the cow, she signifies the earth, which is so calm, and she is also called the giving mother. Okay, so she represents giving, and Dattatreya Dev Tati Ashi, especially Hamainantu Datta Jayanti Muneka festival eta, which falls on the 18th of this month. So Datta Jayanti Divasu Ammi Hadavaka Pooj Kartati, Ani. We also sing bhajans with his name, you know, mentioned in the bhajans. And this celebration is like his birthday. Okay, he was born on this day. Okay, and Hakami Datta Jayanti Mantati. Now, one more thing you have to remember is normally to Dattatreya photo, first thing you notice is he has 3 heads. He has a cow and he has 4 dogs. Okay. So whenever you see a picture, you can immediately tell, oh, Dattatreya Devu Munuzata. Okay. Because you see all these 4 things, 4 dogs, 1 cow, the 3 heads, and all, I told you all the things he holds in his hand, Kamandalu, Animagiri, Japmala, and all that. When you see, you can immediately say, or Dattatreya Dev. Okay, but sometimes in some places they show Dattatreya photo antu, they show only one head. That is, it depends on how they perceive it. Okay, and only few, that is only few pictures they show like this. But normally it is with 3 heads. The cow is very prominent and the 4 dogs are very prominent. So this is in brief. I told you everything about Dattatreya. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Does anyone have any questions for Sheila Pachi on Lord Dattatreya? Questions, Asatva? Manomai.
Manomai.
दत्तात्रेय इंडिया के जो एक टेम्पल असवा
Tantigavantu?
India antu temple.
Oh yes, yes.
Must Manomai, actually Maharashtra antu must, you'll find lot of temples.
Yes.
Dattatreya mastu mantati, and even
in
other states also.
Yeah, and in Udupi also there is a very important, in Udupi itself there is a very good big temple with all the gods, and the first temple is dedicated to Dattatreya. And in fact, Preeti's grandfather used to do puja there.
My great grandfather.
Great grandfather, yes.
Even North Ant, I think, right? Even North.
Yes, North India also they have a lot of temples, but there normally they show only one head. But cow is always shown. Dattatreya Malki, you have to show the cow and you have to show the 4 dogs. Okay, but depends on how many heads they show. Normally in Maharashtra, Karnataka, they show 3 heads.
Any questions, Asatva?
How do you celebrate Datta Jayanti?
Datta Jayanti, see, it is like this. Early morning, you get up, you have your bath, and then you have to do puja to Dattatreya photo. Or if you have an idol of him, you can do puja to him. And normal prayer books antu, there is one small prayer which is dedicated to Datta. So you can utter those 10 lines. And in the evenings, especially in Maharashtra, it's so very nice. All the Datta Mandir, all the Datta temples, they have bhajans. And these bhajans are called mantis. You know, in Konkani we call it manti. And in English you can say bhajan. And they are beautiful, bhajans. If we had enough time, we could have even taught, but lack of time.
Yeah.
But whenever, even if you go online also, you can get lot of bhajans on Datta.
I remember as a child, we used to go to Datta Mandir during Datta Jayanti, and coincidentally, I don't know if it's coincidence or not, but there used to be a lot of dogs around. I remember that as a child.
Yes.
There used to be a lot of dogs near the, Datta Mandir, as
Correct.
if the god is calling them.
Yes, and also one more thing, in outside the Datta Mandir, in Maharashtra I've seen, if you on Datta Jayanti day, if you go to Datta Mandir, outside you'll see at least some 5-6 ladies with cows, and she has a big heap of grass, and then of course we have to pay something, and then she gives you little grass and you have to feed that cow. So that is the belief there.
Okay.
If no more questions, if you think of questions, Sangati, but we'll move on to Chetan.
आणि एक म्हाका सांगता आशिल्लें की येता एक मराठी पिक्चर आशिल्लें म्हाका नांव उगड आसना मार्कान भोव गोमटेंची पद आसा की ब्रह्मा विष्णू आणि महेश्वर सामोरी बसले मला हे दत्तगुरु दिसले.
Yes.
So if you get a chance, you listen to this Marathi song. Very nice.
Yes, it is sung by Asha Bhosle and Anuradha Podwal. Very nice song.
Oh, very beautiful song.
The translation of what Chetan Mom said is that Brahma, Vishnu, and Ishwar Tagai Disli because Magal, in front of me, I saw all the three gods, because in front of me I have Dattatreya.
Right.
When I see him, I see all the three gods. That's a,
Correct.
a
Correct.
beautiful thing. Yeah. Right. Ani, honestly,
There's one more interesting point about Dattatreya. I just want to tell the children. I believe at a very young age, he left his home and he went into the forest. And as he was approaching the forest, many people asked him, "Kalaka tu shiranant bhunta, it's so dangerous, Kalaka." That time he said, "I'm in search of absolute truth." Just like Buddha left his palace and went. That too he was the only child. He left the house and went to the forest in search of absolute truth. And then they say on the mountain, which is Ganagapur Lagi, mountain asa. That mountain they say that actual footsteps of Dattatreya are etched in the soil. And nobody, they have found a wall shape create kelia, and they say Ganagapura, like Swami Samartha Munasatne, he is supposed to be incarnation of or a great disciple of Dattatreya Deva.
That's really so nice to hear about Dattatreya Deva, because as kids, I know we are attracted to this god because he's surrounded by dogs, but
Yes.
we never look up and realize, he's a combination of all the three gods, so much so powerful. Right. So, and now Chetan Mom and Rupa Pachi tumkat ek prayer shiketal bhajan or stotra, you can say, and it tumhi every day म्हणेता. So this is a very big gift from Chetan Mom and Rupa Pachi, because you'll remember this for life.
And सांज म्हणचें असता का नाही? It's very simple. म्हळ्यार तुमकां
Maybe तुमकां go to Deev after the sun sets and it's dark outside. तुम्ही देवाला दीव लावून एक प्रेयर म्हणतात ती कोणाक ಗೊತ್ತು सर?
I think everyone is on mute. Unmute yourself.
Shubham Karoti Kalyanam.
Very good.
Very good.
Shubham Karoti Kalyanam Arogyam Dhana Sampada Shatru Buddhi Vinashaya Deepa Jyotirnamostute.
Good job.
Hands prayer. I mean,
I actually did this in the Kavoka Diwali, like.
Yes, I remember that.
Right.
Yeah.
So it's okay if you know it. Also, we will recite that once today, so that you know.
Kunal and Khushi learned this when they were just 3 years or 4 years old.
म्हणून ह्या नित्याक सांजे म्हणका दिवला म्हणून देवा.
Yes, yes.
ते शेअर करतल्व.
Isn't it?
Okay, watch. So this is a beautiful prayer that one should sing every evening after lighting a lamp. So lamp lamp deep. So that is a lamp, and jyoti that is the light. So this prayer is actually, it is for the jyoti. Jyoti light, and which means it is the basically God. So that is whom we are praying. So that the actual light is jyoti. So let's go ahead, and then Rupa Pachi will sing this song, and you will, maybe you can repeat, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Shubham Karoti Kalyanam Arogyam Dhana Sampada.
You can repeat that line now.
Shubham
Karoti Kalyanam आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा
शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते
शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय नमो
नमस्ते.
So what this means is salutations to the light Jyoti of the lamp, which brings auspiciousness, health, and prosperity.
One that removes any ill feelings. Shatru buddhi vinashaya म्हळ्यार ill feelings towards other ते काढता. आणि शुभम म्हळ्यार शुभम जामचे म्हळ्यार auspiciousness. आरोग्य म्हळ्यार health. आणि धनसंपदा म्हळ्यार prosperity. So we'll go to the next line. Next page. Okay.
दीपज्योति परब्रह्म
ज्योति परब्रह्म
दीपज्योति जनार्दन
दीपज्योति जनार्दन
दीपो हर्तु मे ध्वान्तम्
दीपो हरतु मध्वन्तम्
संविद्दीपं नमोऽस्तुते
संविद्दीपं नमोस्तुते.
Okay, so here the meaning says the light of the lamp that represents the supreme reality, that is the ultimate truth or God. We will call it in different names, and it is called Parabrahma. So that is represented by that Jyoti, which is the light. And it also, that is same as it is representing Lord Vishnu, which is also, we consider that as the ultimate reality, that is the truth. And that is also another name for Vishnu is Janardana. Okay, so it says that may that light remove all the darkness. The Dhvantam Malari, Haratu Malari, let it remove. So Deepo Haratu me Dhvantam. So let the light remove my ignorance, the darkness, which means basically our ignorance. And Samvid Deepam Namostute, Malari, salutations to that Jyoti or the light.
Light of knowledge.
Right.
Ignorance. It means with lights outside and also inside. Ignorance knowledge. Light of God.
So very simple this thing song, and very simple prayer, but very powerful, which you should say. So let's repeat that once again. So let's go to the preview. Okay, start kare pada.
Shubham karoti kalyanam.
कल्याणं
आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा
आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा
शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय
दीपज्योतिविनाशाय
दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते
ज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते
दीपज्योति परब्रह्म
दीपज्योति परब्रह्म
दीपज्योति जनार्दन
दीपज्योति जनार्दन
दीपो हरतु मे ध्वान्तम्
दीपो हरतु मे ध्वन्तम्
संविद्दीपं नमोस्तुते
संविद्दीपं नमोस्तुते.
So that last line, sometimes there are different versions. So, you might have Deepo Haratu me papam, Deepa Jyoti Namostute. So, there are some variations. So it could be that also. But yeah, any of them, you can sing that. Basically, the same meaning.
Questions है सर तुमका, or you want to sing it again with Chetan Ma'am and Rupa Pachi? परत म्हणतेस तुमका? Practice करतेस की? You want to do practice on your own?
Let's ask them one quiz. So what is auspiciousness? Can you tell me what word represents auspiciousness in that?
Holiness.
In that Shubham Karoti Kalyanam, which Sanskrit word, see, this is a prayer in Sanskrit language, right? So which Sanskrit word is representing auspiciousness? Can you guess?
Shubham.
Very good. Shubha. Nava? Shubham malari auspiciousness. Kalyanamay म्हळ्यार आमी बरे जावा म्हणून. So that is something similar. Okay, another one. आणि कळलं? Okay, wealth, prosperity. What is the word that represents wealth and prosperity?
Arogyam.
Arogyam. Yeah, it's right.
Wealth and prosperity. Health.
Dhana Sampada.
Dhana Sampada.
Very good. Dhana आम्ही म्हणतात ना. What is dhana? Dhana means wealth.
Wealth.
So Dhana Sampada is representing that. And what does Arogyam mean? Arogya तुम्ही yes, Riya.
Health.
Very
Health,
good.
Very good.
Arogya म्हळ्यार health. No? So these are the things. So you should also understand the meaning of all the words. So what is lamp? Lamp म्हळ्यार काय?
Deepam.
Very good. आणि light?
Jyoti.
Okay, good job. So now you have understood the whole thing. Now, so actually you can speak Sanskrit. So it is like, we already know the words of Sanskrit because Amgal language, we use them. So you already know that. Now you just need to learn a little more and then you will start speaking. Okay.
Questions, Satki, for Chetan Ma'am, Rupa Pachi? कि तुम एक भजन और स्तोत्र शिखी मात नहीं, you also learned some Sanskrit word now.
Actually, I wanted to say, when children are praying to God, त्यावेळी तुम्ही काय करता ती देवा म्हाका आरोग्य दी, आयुष्य दी आणि ऐश्वर्य दी. So आरोग्य, health, आयुष्य, long life, आणि आरोग्य, आयुष्य आणि ऐश्वर्य. ऐश्वर्य is prosperity. Okay, so these three things, all the children, when you go to so that is how you learn new words. Very nice.
Yeah, maybe if you by heart this prayer, it's very short,
Correct.
then automatically you learn these words, and also it's a nice prayer. It has
Yes, beautiful. Yeah.
So actually, I remembered one thought for the day that we learned, in school. So there used to be like this. So there is a priority here. What is more important in life? No? Wealth comes last actually.
Last.
Magari, health comes after, second, and first is character. So there was one saying like this, that when wealth is lost, nothing is lost. When health is lost, arogya, when health is lost, something is lost. When character is lost, everything is lost.
Yes.
Think about it. Yes, very true. Right? Now everyone wants to do a fun quiz. Quiz.
I think Kunal wanted to ask something.
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
Shatru Buddhi Makara.
Shatru Buddhi.
Shatru. You know what is Shatru?
No.
Shatru means enemy. So Shatru Buddhi Malari, in your mind you create enemies.
Negative thoughts or
Right.
very bad
Yeah.
qualities.
So
General म्हणत असतात ते दूर वचप आणि पॉझिटिव्ह थॉट्स बरे विचार बरी बुद्धी
So Shatru Buddhi Vinashaya. So destroy. Vinashaya means destroy. Destroy the negative thoughts. So any feeling of any enmity towards anyone. So that is Shatru Buddhi Vinashaya.
Very nice. Any kind of questions, Asatva? Nazab, shall we move on to the quiz? Namrata?
Sure. Prashant has just stepped out. So do you want to do it now, or I mean,
Yeah, we can do the story first.
story? Okay.
Sadhana, Venkat, shall we do the story first?
Sure. Atta, all of us learned about Dattatreya, right? Shila Pachinam Chandakon Datta Deva Bagge Sangle. So Atta, we are going to tell you a story about another god. Datta Deva Mankechi, you know, had Deval speciality kasale. He is a small boy. Kalime, at Ramu, Krishna, ni manta chami. Tani fura kaderi hod dattanave. Dala hod Devu, always he is worshipped as a small boy. Konaka idea asa? Kona Shapura ho Devu mono? Vamanavatar. Good guess. Dalane. He holds a spear in his hand. Kalima? And South Indian church worship karta. Riya?
Subramanya.
Oh, very good, very close. Vihan, tu veha trace kela?
Now just think it.
Think karta. Tumi ayyappa mundaval na vaikalinchi konechi? Anybody has heard about Ayyappa? Okay. So, atta hammi tumka Ayyappa Deval kani sangtach, okay? Ammi, in our last Gurukul, Ammi Dasara Bagge presentation kelale, Udgasas nava. And we had talked about Durga. Durga and Kanchi Rakshasa Tyush Marlele. Anybody can tell me? Yes, Kunal?
Mahishasur?
Yes, Mahishasur. So,
our national sumagot na
very well. Okay. To the recording polo. Okay. So, let me just share my screen.
Are you saying that you were not there when Devi killed that Rakshas?
None of us were there, no. Okay. Mika screen this stuff?
Yes.
Okay. So, starting on Thanga. तुमका देवाल फोटो दिसता आता दत्त देवाल सुतूची कशी चार सून असाची अय्यप्पा देवाक दाखयला ना तागेल सुतूच कसा असाची व्हाट डू यू सी इन द पिक्चर
Tigers.
Yes, tigers. तो टाइगर अवैर बै सुनो येता अस नवे ओके आता अय्यप्पा देव आता ही काणी सूरदत्तना है Kerala mono. Kerala is one of the southern states. India anto Kerala status. Tancho Rayashilu. Rajashekar mono. Takka Childona Shilinj. So he was worried. At Miguel Nantara, who will take care of our kingdom? Mono. But Tagalo Mantri Aspale, he was happy. Tane, if this king dies, tak Childonachi, how Raidata? Mono. So तो राय कसे दिस लगता he starts praying तो ईश्वर प्रे करता माके एक चल दी so that Miguel नंतर he can take care of my kingdom. Same time Mahishasur Vihansi to fully class you said you didn't attend now so hakan yentu there is a little bit of the same story. Mahishasur is also praying तो ब्रह्मा pray करता आणि तो कसे सांगता he says I should not be Makka Kancho Manishu. Any man should not kill me. Mon. He just says Kancho Manishu. Kancho Ataramu, Krishna, any male god, any man should not kill me. Mon Sangon karta. Tadna he thinks I am the most powerful one. म्हणून आणि फुराच्याने बाद दिवच्या सूर करता he thinks चेल्य म्हळ्यार तांणी स्ट्रॉंग ना तांणी कसं करताची म्हण सो ही ओनली सेज म्हाका खंयचे मनशान जीवश मारून जा म्हण सो देव कसं करताची तांणी सांगताची ब्रह्मा गुणाना आता आम्ही कोणाची इंद्रो विष्णू ईश्वरो कोणे तक जीवश मारो दायन सो ओनली अ वुमन would be able to do it म्हण ताजी खातीर तांणी कसं करताची तांणी थिंक करताची आमगेल पुरा शक्ती ಒಟ್ಟು कोरनो आम्ही एक देवीक हें कोरया म्हण तशी ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश्वर पूरा दे आमगेल शक्ती ಒಟ್ಟು कोरनो दुर्गा दवा चंडिका देवी उद्भवतात शी इज ऑल्सो सिटिंग ऑन अ टायगर तुम्ही हे देवस्थान पळोवन आसतात नवे दुर्गा देवील आयडल सिटिंग ऑन अ टायगर सो ती वचन यशार you wanted to say something to get a video ultudala deva yeah it's fine now okay so Chandika Devi yet she comes to the earth then Mahishasur sangta kon he who's this senseless woman mige what fight karo ayeli go bring her to me mon mige lagi hadatika Dalari Chandika Devi kasa karta see Durga Devi she manages to fight and defeat all the rakshasas tani वचन महिषासुरा सांगताच आमका तीन डिफीट केले म्हण तो सांगता सगळे आम्ही घेऊन वसदला ते खडाची म्हण ती तांकां डिफीट कोण सोडता ताक जोर कोप येता महिषासुरा तो सांगता हांव तिगेल वट फायट कोरनो तिका डिस्ट्रॉय करता आणि तिका अटॅक करता दलारी कसं जाता दुर्गा देवी manages to kill him so if you look at Durga Devi's idol devasthananto Mahishasura is always at her feet she has managed to kill him ekhanto he is in the form of a buffalo Mahisha malari buffalo tak दोन शिंग दिसता पळय हॉर्न्स तशी सो ती ताका जीवश मारता तेन्ना कसं जाता महिषी ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡೆ महिषासुराल भयणी म्हणतात ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡೆ महिषासुराल बायल म्हणतात she is also called महिषी तिका कोप येता ओ मिगेले husband आका हे देव अनफुरा वट्ट मेळनो जीवश मारले they killed him so I will teach them a lesson हांव तांकां बुद्धी शिकयता म्हण आणि ती एक तपस करता पिनान्स म्हळ्यार she does lot of tapas and she also prays to Brahma ती कसं म्हणता म्हाका जीवशी मारचे तो she first says म्हाका make me immortal म्हाका कोणे जीवशी मारचे ना ज I should never be killed म्हण ब्रह्म सांगता I cannot grant such a boon म्हाका तसले boon दिवच्या दायना म्हण सो ती सांगता I should not be killed by Vishnu or Shiva. Mak Jivshi marchi daleri, it should be the son of Vishnu and Shiva. Mon. She thinks both Vishnu and Shiva are men. So, tank she cheldo datta, right? So, Vishnu ani Shiva chelda legi matra, I should be able, makka tak tani matra mak Jivshi marka. Mon. Brahma is generally most of the time Brahma Ishvara legi they get very easily influenced to mitanka with lot of pray keleltenna it was the grant the boon so Brahman boon grant kele and he vanished so the for devanta they are worried titanka he kurusur karta Mahishi defeats all the gods and he sangta pale at tumi kasa kartachi nobody can defeat me Pura Deva nigel against a powerless mon. So Ishwar letta. Okay. Atta Kashipuni Korno, we should defeat Mahishi mon. Last year, Amitunka te Samudru Ghantuche Sagara Haje Kani Sangila. I don't know how many remember that or not. Tedna Vishnu had come in the form of a lady, right? पुरा राक्षसांक हे करूक कोणाक उडक आसस्व विष्णु खंयची फॉर्म ते कसं नाव ते एनीबडी कॅन टेल मी हा सर्व सांगा मोहिनी येस दॅट्स राईट सो विष्णू मोहिनी रूप घेऊन असता तेन्ना ईश्वर सांगता पळे महिषीन अशी शी हॅज तीन एक वर निमगेला सो बरी मिगेल आणि तुगेल चिल्ड असल्यार मात्र ताणे तिका डिफीट कोर येता म्हणून तेन्ना विष्णू सांगता हे चिल्ड जाल्यारी कोण तो खोड करता म्हणून आम्ही स्टार्टिंग सांगिल पळे केरळांत एकलो राय आशिल्लो राजशेखर म्हणून तानी तागेल बायलेक एक चिल्ड जावका म्हणून तांक दिवया म्हूण सांगता ईश्वर आणि तांकां एक चिल्ड जाता ती सांगता हांव तागेले गळ्या सुतून एक गोल्ड बेल घालून ताका सोड येता म्हणून विष्णू सांगता हेदी कडेन फुडें फुरा राय मस्त हंट करता आशिल्ली म्हणा सो तांणी थंय हंट कोरून फॉरेस्टांत पळयता आसतना थंय पंपा न्हंय म्हणून न्हंय आसा तो ताजे रिवर बँक्सार गेले तेन्ना ताका एक चायनान रोडचे आयकता हांगा इन द फॉरेस्ट खंय सुकून बेबी आयले म्हूण कोणाच्या वता तो तेन्ना ताका ते चिल्ड दिसता तो लेखता कोणा चिल्ड आसा पुरो हे फॉरेस्टान तूं कसो करचें हांवें म्हूण तेन्ना थंय एकलो ऋषी येवन सांगता ताका घरा कडेन व्हरी कोण हो म्हूण निमगेले तेन्ना ताका वेन ही इज 12 years old तुका कळटा हो कोण म्हूण सांगता तेन्ना राय लागता ह्या चायल्डा हांव कसो नांव दवरचें म्हूण त्या चायल्डाल गळ्या सुतू कसो आसता we just told Nave what was there around his neck
The gold bell.
yes the gold bell so why gold bell गळ्याक कंठ म्हणताची राईट सो गळ्या सुतू ताका बेल आसा म्हणून मणिकंठ ते बेल शब्द करता नवे ताचे खातीर तू मणी म्हणचे कंठ म्हळ्यार गळ सो गळ्या सुतू गोल्ड बेल आसता ताचे खातीर ताका मणिकंठ म्हूण नांव धरी म्हूण सांगता रायाक राजशेखर ताका आपोवन हाडता अँड हिज वायफ इज ऑल्सो व्हेरी हॅपी ओ आतां आमकां एक चेडूं मेळ्ळें म्हणून जाल्यार त्या मंत्रीक बेजार जाता आतां त्या रायाक एकलो चेडूं आसा आनी मुखारी हे किंगडम म्हाका मेळना म्हणून हिज मिनिस्टर इज सॅड अँड तो चेडूं होड जाता he becomes a very strong intelligent babu kalima every konaka tak padalani dista he is not an ordinary child or special he has special powers kaderi tagel tani shikun batari tagel guru lagi to nimgita ata pude whenever tani गुरुकुलावता आशिल्ली चेडो शिक्षक after they finished their studies they used to give some gift to the guru ताका गुरु दक्षिणा म्हणता आशिल्ली तो मणिकंठ तागेल गुरूक निमगीता हा तू कसा गुरु दक्षिण दिवचे म्हूण ते गुरूक एकलो चेडूं आसता he has a son who is blind ताका दोळ दिसना आनी म्यूट ताका उलोवचें कळना so he says please restore his sight and speech ताका उलोवच्याक हे करी म्हूण सो मणिकंठ तागेले गुरुल पुताक हे करता तागेले गुरुल पुत उलोवचें सुरू करता तशी तो मस्त मिरेकल्स करता ही हेल्प्स अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल तशी एवरीबडी इज व्हेरी प्राउड ऑफ हिम एक्सेप्ट फॉर द मिनिस्टर तो लेखता आय मस्ट गेट रीड ऑफ द बॉय म्हूण कशी कोणी कोरना त्या चेडा हें कोरता this time कसा जाता ते राजशेखर ले वाइफ तिका एक child जाता now she is unhappy because this kid was born to her मणिकंठ ती फॉरेस्ट मेळल नवे सो ती लेखता आता this child which is born to me Miguel Puto he will never become king because it's always the eldest son who becomes king so the minister लेखता okay हांव कशी पुणी कोरनो I can plot with the queen म्हूण So to wachun te queen asangti. Manikanta will soon be 12 years old. He will be crowned heir apparent. Tak yuvraj kartachi. Soon he will be the king. Ani your son will never become the king. Mon. Then nuti sangta. Your own son will lose all chances of becoming the ruler. Mon. Ti latta, what can I do? Mon. Ti sangta. I will do anything for my son. Mon. Tedna to sangta. Pretend to have a severe headache. Jor mak duk dalal mankari. Ani mak I will do the rest. Mon. And he will go to the court physician, to the doctor. Ani sangta to, how sangil mankari tuk how much to do to ditta. Mon. Tedna, ani kasam mon sangta to, the queen has a severe headache. Tu kasam monaka, tiger's milk. Ta matra pillari, she will be cured. Mon sangka. Mon. Atame, what do we drink? We drink cow's milk. We drink goat's milk. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡೆ ಹಂಗ ಆಲ್ಮಂಡ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ani pittachi, soy milk pittachi. ಹಂಗ ಕೊನೆ tiger's milk ಪಿಲ್ಲಿಂಕಿ ನಾನವ. So everybody is worried. Kashava, mon. Tedna, the king is also worried. What is the quickest remedy? I cannot bear to see my queen in pain. Miguel, wife akat, ashidu ki bhokche mak pula chadaina. Mon. To korta doctor kasam manta. The only remedy, medicine, tigress milk. Mon. Taraya pay attention data. Tigress milk. How are we to get it? Angde vochin gevcha datve. Kashi gevche. Mon. Tedna he to sangta. Ami announce Korea. Anybody who brings tigress milk can have half my kingdom. Mon. Miguel Rajjantu, if anyone is brave enough to go to the forest. Ani एक टाइगर आले मिल्क घेऊन येऊच जाल्यार ताका मिगेल अर्ध राज्य दिता म्हूण. But everybody is scared. It's not that easy, right? Tiger आले की वचून मिल्क करची म्हळ्यार like milking a cow. कोणाका जाय? Finally कसा जाता? Manikantha, right? His boy who's 12 years old. तो सांगता हांव वता म्हूण. The king is not happy. He says, "Tu itlasan, you are just 12 years old. Tu khau kash petoche." Mon. Tedna, but to insist karta, na, this is for my mother. How vatta? Mon. And he goes to the forest. Forest taka, vatan thay taka, dista, kon dista taka, Mahishi. Mahishi, she actually stays in that forest. Think her Rakshasas, they come and tell her, there is a boy roaming in our forest. Then they copy. Miguel permission gana shikka shailuto. I will destroy him. So, ti vochuno, Manikanta attacked. But actually, Manikanta Kona, he is the son of Vishnu and Shiva. And he was born just to kill Mahishi. So, Tosang, my earthly mission is about to be fulfilled. Miguel, why I was born, the reason hanchi. So he fights with Mahishi and he kills her. Okay? Kaderi, but actually to kasala ayil forest abitari, he had gone to get the tigress milk. Tedna, Indrata, to sangta tu amta help kele. You killed Mahishi. So taji kateri, I will take the form of a tigress. I will come with you into the city as your mount. Hava ek tigress ale roop घेऊन तुगेल वोट येता म्हूण. Indra वोटेशल बाकी देव समेत all of them get turned into tigresses and they follow Ayappa, Manikantha. So when he comes to the city, everybody is scared. If the tigers come into a city, what do you think we will react? So Pura Janaka bhai karta. Tedna Yaklo yeun sangta. Manikantha has returned with a horde of tigresses. A group of tigresses are what Ted Rayaka shocked them. And he also thinks, Makate Brahman and Sangil Name, when Manikantha is fellow, Maktabada kon mon kalta mono. Tedna, he hears a divine voice. Akashavadi mono taka aikata. Manikantha is none but God himself. To Devu mon. To yevunu Rajshekara ran forward and fell at Manikanta's feet. Tagal payar pad. Ani sangta, please send the tigresses away. My people are terror-stricken. Gam ashil jern of rab vyunigelinchi. The tiger sanka vapas pete. Mon. Tedna Manikantan hasli kudle. All the tigresses vanished. Tani disappeared the linchi. Tedna Rai Sankta, as soon as you left, the queen recovered. I became suspicious. Miguel Baila, she said she had a headache, but as soon as you went to the forest, she was fine. She became fine. Tedna Maka, I became suspicious. My suspicions were confirmed when I overheard a conversation between her and my divan. Ti ani Miguel minister and Ulletana Maka, I became sure. Have but the nay. Both of them had made a plan. I shall punish them. Manikanta Sankta Nakka. They hastened my mission of slaying Mahishi. Tani Ashifura plan kelalaka, I went to the forest. And because of that, I killed Mahishimon. Anito Sankta, I will go back to heaven now. Mon. Anyway, to Kata, Tugelo Putasa, he will take care of the kingdom. Avatam. Tedna, Rainingita. Show me a place in my temple where in my kingdom where I build a temple for you. How to get Katireka, Horde, Devastan Karta, Kai Kurche, Mon. Tedna Tomanikantkasa Santa, build this temple where this arrow falls. How an arrow shoot Karta, the arrow Kai Wuchin Partipale, Thai Miguel Katirieka, temple build curry. Mon. The observe Korni temple build curry. Mon. So, the arrow shoot kartana, there is a Shabari Hills, mono, Kerala antu, mountains as such. It's in the midst of a deep forest. So, on the top of the mountain, the arrow karta. Anito Sankta, there should just be 18 steps leading to the mountain. Mon. Vitlavari, top of the mountain, bari 18 steps aska. Mon. But the king Aka, first of all, it's in the midst of a forest. Then it is on top of a mountain. How Kashikorche Mon? Tedna Davasamtachi Vishwakarma. Vishwakarma is the architect of the gods. Davankani Furakasale build Korkadala, to build Kondi. So Ta Yonu, he starts building the temple for Manikanta. Ani the temple complete that. With all the specifications, just 18 steps leading to the top. So at the next step, in the temple, they have to install the idol. Murti install korkanava. Tedna, Parashuram, who was also an avatar of Vishnu. Tau, Vachuno, he goes down to earth as a stone carver, as a sculptor. And he is ready to make the idol for the king. Tau and Tau Santa, I have heard of your problem. However, Chanda idol koro aila mon. Then the king sanka show me your wares. Tu ye tolte kaskasa kela mon. To self tagel hat daket. Padele tenna rai nimgita. You are no ordinary sculptor. Have for a padelari to ashichi amgel mankik sculptor nahi. Who are you? Mon. To santa I am Parashuram mon. Ani tagele form down santa. Today is the day of Makara Sankranti. I shall install the idol straight away. It is one of the holiest days. Okay, Amgel Hunt. So, Sankranti Divasu, Makara Sankranti Divasu, the Ayappa idol install karta. Have you got So, minister Aspale, Taka, because of all his wickedness, Taka, Eka, this is it. Then will I ever be cleansed? So he has a dream. The dream come to my temple. Enter only after cleansing yourself in the pampa. Pampa nahin tu naunu matra tu yeuka mon. Anito bhai sir. And he is remorseful. He really feels guilty. Okay. Nutachi he really feels bad for what he has done. So to pray korno. He gets into the river. And when he comes out of the river, tagil illness, and he is very happy. So, steps chon dhauntana, ayappa malari, in hai, it is like ek dava mun sangunu vairi dhaunu Swami Sharanam Ayyappa. I how tukka Sharan gelo. I tugeladra khama pain pallo mun sangunu. Right. So even now, when people go to the temple, this is what they chant. They first go to the river, they take a bath there, and then they go. It's quite a hard journey. The temple is in the midst of a forest. So it's not an easy thing. This is the way that people go and worship that. Ani mani kantakata Ayyappa Devu mono puja kartachi.
Sadhana? I think thangal internet freeze alle, but perfect timing because Sadhana Pachi finished the story. Beautifully told, right? Everyone liked the story?
Wait.
Butch, I liked it.
Very nice, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I think we lost them. So
It could be either a power cut or their internet failure. They had mentioned that they were having some issues.
correct.
But perfect timing.
Just finish the story and then.
Actually, if we are to believe all this, right, it must be the gods helping us too.
Right.
Because just for the kids' sake, Sadhana Pachi and Venkat Mom, they lost their power in the morning. Just before class, they got the power. She was able to tell the whole story. And just when the story was done, they lost power again.
Right.
But hopefully they can come back. Sagarank आवडला story आवडली? Riya, Sharif, Manomay, Kunal, Kushi, Vihan, Ritika. Nice. तुम काय का क्विज परचेस किया था?
I.
A bit of a quiz. So Prashant Mom and Namrata Pachi will go through a fun quiz for you.
Let me share.
हॅलो
Venkat.
ऐकत आम्ही ड्रॉप झाली की म्हणून आता वायफाय अर्जंट झाली.
Actually, we were all talking about you. If you see the perfect timing, tumgal power outage shila. You got power during Gurukul class. You were able to tell the whole story, and just when you finished, you lost power again. And all the kids are saying loud the story.
Actually,
Huh?
okay. So did anybody have any questions?
Questions is at where Sadhana Pachi and Venkat Mama back online.
Okay, quick quiz. Who were the parents of?
Question, sir.
Okay.
So like Kazaletanmal 16 steps Jai Montagil Temple.
18 steps.
No, 16 steps Kazale Jai Maltan.
18 seems to be a auspicious number. That's why.
I think it is like he wanted to make sure that people who went to the temple, tani actually the she salpa kashta pauniyev ka mon. It's not an easy thing. You really have to want to go and pray. Okay. It's not a very accessible location. Jungle anto on the top of a mountain. So to badachi, you have to have it in your mind that how ya kor ka mon lekun to thai wach ka mon.
Right. But actually, that's a very correct thing, Sadhana, because if you see many temples in India, they are located at locations which are not easy to go, like Vaishno Devi and
Kedarnath.
Kedarnath. So many, so many locations where you really have to put effort to reach God. It's like a test that the God gives.
Tirupati.
Tirupati. So after going through that difficult journey, you appreciate it more. And
Exactly.
it's God that I'm really a bhakt.
Kedar Mom knows best about Kedarnath temple.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
The actual significance of 18 is basically to denounce from or detach yourself from the physical and the wealthiness. So basically, if you see the first 5 has different meaning, the next 8, so it's basically broken down into 4, 5, 8, 3 and 2. So the first 5 is basically the sound, smell, all those attachments. The next 8 is related to your emotions, and I don't recollect the next 2, sorry, but yeah, that's the significance of the 18 steps at Shabrimala.
Oh, thank you so much.
So nice, right? So each step you take, you are foregoing one negative trait and going towards positivity.
Anita, only Darlanka matra allowed us, no? Victory temple antu.
Wait, the thing is, what they say is at Tagele, the queen, she, even though she was Tagel Ammadalarichi, she plotted so that her birth son becomes the king of Mono. So he says that any woman who is of childbearing age, to me, yo chadaina mon.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. I mean, I think even in some cases, women are also entering the temple. So,
yeah, there was some dispute about that.
yeah.
So, questions, Nimguchki? Time aski?
Wait.
Okay. Okay.
Krishna, Horde mountain are only 18 steps gala. Tani Horde steps gala.
I guess so, Kunal. Paleni exactly Devasthana. So maybe the height of the steps might be quite big. At the Amgelika, just 2 or 3 questions, sir. You guys have to answer. So who are the parents of Ayyappa?
Shiva and Vishnu.
Yes. Very good. Ani Kanchi state anta, sir, Ayyappa temple, which state of India?
Kerala.
Yes, very good. And does anyone remember the auspicious day when the idol was installed in the temple?
Sankranti.
Yes, very good. So
Makara Sankranti Mantachi. Usually January 14th or 15th etta, and it's as per solar calendar. Amgel Hinduntu, 2 calendars are there. One is solar, other one is lunar. Madari sun based or moon based. Yeah, sun based Jalanimita, always it comes on 14th or 15th of January.
And that day they say, Shabari Hills Santu, you see a special light. Mon Tattani Makara Vilakku Mon Sangtachi. So that divasu over the hills, if you see, there is some light in the night over the hills. Mon. Okay, thank you so much.
If
And
taking time in one here, sorry. The Shabrimala Anto, they have 18 hills. So that's also another significance of the 18 steps.
Oh, okay. Very nice. Thank you. Okay, Priti, we are done. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It was a very nice story. Thank you. Any more questions? Questions, Asatva? If not, then we'll move on to our quiz. Just to see how much you remember about Lord Dattatreya. So Namrata Pachi and Prashant ma'am tum quiz घेतली.
So the story I tell you now. So let's see. So there are some quiz questions. So it's all about the Dattatreya that Shilpachi explained. It's all, so Lord Dattatreya is an avatar of which three Hindu gods?
Vishnu, Brahma, Vishnu, Sara.
Very good. Very good. Brahma, Vishnu,
Mahesh.
Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara.
Yeah. Yeah, very good. Right.
So, Maheshwara is also known as Shiva, so Brahma, Vishnu, or Maheshwara.
Okay.
What is Datta Jayanti?
Dattatreya's birthday.
The birthday of Dattatreya.
In general, Jayanti Malari, it's a birthday, no? So it is a, yeah, you're right. Birthday of Dattatreya. So who is Dattatreya? It's a Hindu festival commemorating the birthday celebration of Hindu deity Dattatreya. Okay, so Datta Jayanti. Next. So when is Datta Jayanti celebrated? Virasasti?
December 18th.
Yes, that's right. That is for this year, but generally it is celebrated on the full moon day of the Mrigashira month according to the Hindu calendar, and comes sometime between December or January.
So December 18th,
Right, December 18th, but usually it comes between December and January.
Yeah, Shilapachi, if you want to add anything, so please.
No, it's correct.
Okay.
Date changes, but it's always on the full moon day.
Right. So thank you, Shilapachi.
7 days from today.
Okay. So who are Lord Dattatreya's parents?
Atri and Atreya.
Atri and
Anasuya.
Anusuya.
Very good. Very good.
Dattatreya ending on Atreya Munasa. If you remove DATT, Atreya Munasa. The meaning of Atreya is given to Atri. Gift given to Atri from the three gods, Brahma, Vishnu, Ishwar. So he is actually the child of Atri and Anusuya.
Yeah. So Kunal, you got it right, Kunal. Okay. So what is the name of the cow?
Kamadhenu.
Kamadhenu.
Yeah. Very good. Very good. So Kamadhenu ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಸ್ನವಾ? So yeah, the cow which can give you anything. So whatever you ask to Kamadhenu, so it can grant you your wishes. Okay, it has that power. Okay. So what are the animals you see around Lord Dattatreya?
Dogs and cows.
Dogs and
Four
cows.
Four dogs and a cow.
4 dogs and a cow.
4 dogs and 1 cow. So do you know the significance of 4 dogs? Okay.
The 4 Vedas.
The 4 Vedas.
Very good.
Okay. Yeah, so 4 dogs and 1 cow beside him. Okay, so the next question is, what do these animals symbolize?
The four Vedas and the cow
Vedas and Mother Earth.
and the
Yeah. So do you know the
The
four
cow-
Vedas? Can anyone tell me the names?
Rigveda, Rigveda,
Atharvaveda, Yajurveda,
Correct.
Samajveda.
Areva, Samaveda. It's either is Samaveda or Samaveda.
And
Yeah.
one more.
One more. I didn't hear all 4. Can you-
Atharvaveda.
Very good. Very good, Kunal. Atharvana Veda.
Very good. So the 4 dogs signify 4 Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samveda, and Atharva Veda. And the Kamadhenu cow signifies the calm and giving Mother Earth.
No?
Good, nice. So what are the symbols that Lord Dattatreya carries?
one is a Trishul,
Very good.
Shanku,
एक कमंडल आणि
Wait, Kamandal.
So yeah, just think wait, how many hands he has and how many things he can carry in those hands.
6 हात,
Correct.
Right?
6,
सुदर्शन चक्र,
Very
Correct.
good.
Trishul,
Yeah.
Correct.
We have 4 till now.
शंकू,
Yeah. 5.
डमरू.
Very good.
Correct. Very nice.
Very
Yeah,
good.
see? Chakra, Shanku, Trishul, Damru, Kamandalani. Right. Kamandala and Lotus.
Yeah. It is basically all these gods. Well, Lotus, yeah. Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh, mainly their what they carry, that is carried by Dattatreya. Like Shiva carries the Trishul, Vishnu carries the Sudarshan Chakra, and then Brahma carries the Kamandalu and the Lotus. So, Tashi.
Okay. Yeah, these were the quiz questions. So, Shilpachi, anything that you want to ask or anything, Shilpachi? Okay.
Yeah. Sometimes they show a lotus, sometimes they show Japmala. That is the only difference. Yeah.
Japmala, right.
Japmala.
Right. So, in this picture, they were showing Japmala, but yeah.
See, one of the pictures where there's one head, one of the hands is even carrying a gada.
Oh,
Correct.
I have one quiz question. If you can show Dattatreya's image once, picture.
Yeah.
So you have to find out which is which god. The face, the Tinni Davangalasne, the Chike is whom Gorka Patana.
Yeah.
Maybe the first.
So
The very first one. First slide. Right.
Antu Pade. Adhantu, you have to tell which is which god and why. How did you find out?
Madej Shiva.
Madej, I think Vishnu, because
Only Vish.
Correct. Madej Vishnu.
the
Kalak
third one are
Kalak
Shiva,
Vishnu.
because the third one, the right hand she got the Shiva because the crescent moon is tagal
Very good. Crescent moon aslari, it is Shiva. Nama?
and the third आहे असं.
Very good. Right.
आणि मदेश आम्हाकडे मदेश म्हणा विष्णू बिकॉज ईश्वर आणि विष्णू दगंक ब्लू स्किन असं म्हणून आणि ते थर्ड वन म्हणा शिवा म्हणून सेकंड वन म्हणा विष्णू.
Okay.
First one has to be Brahma.
Elimination.
By logic, the other one, remaining one has to be Brahma. No?
Exclusion.
Okay.
Earlier, Chetan ma'am had mentioned that song. Kedar just wrote to me that he found that song. If anyone wants to listen, he can play it.
You can just play the
sure.
first 2 lines.
Yeah. Yeah, very nice song.
Really sharing, stop. Three.
शिवक्षदा एक ते झड असतं.
जो रूपा शिलापाची मोणी येता.
Oh, why? That will be wonderful. Rupa and Shilapachi can sing.
Tupai lai sotanga memory refresh zatle.
ब्रह्मा विष्णु आणि महेश्वर सामोरी बसले मला हे दत्त गुरु दिसले मला हे दत्त गुरु दिसले गाय होनी पुढे वाकरू आहे वळूनी माय भी गाय होनी पुढे वाकरू आहे वळूनी कृतज्ञतेचे शान विचारे पायावर झुकले मला हे दत्त गुरु दिसले मला हे दत्त गुरु दिसले.
Yeah, thanks,
Okay,
Kedar.
that's a couple of lines.
Very nice song. You should hear it.
Why? Now, आमकां gottes. I've heard this multiple times. आणि आमगेल colony too, we have Datta Jayanti every year in Bombay.
I was telling the kids.
You know, one thing, Kedar agal Bombay too, he has his house, and the name of that society itself is called Datta Guru Society.
And there is a big temple of Dattatreya.
Correct. It's a beautiful society. Lots and most. आमची गली मात्र चालू आहे केदार ताई.
No. आमची गली Maharashtrian, sir.
Oh, okay.
It's amazing, right? Ek devak Pampalari, it's like praying to 3 gods.
Right.
So nice. Kids, you have tumko questions are set that you want to share something? Today is the last class of this year. You want to share something or you want to ask any questions?
What about your plans for your vacation, Christmas vacation? What are you going to do?
आम्ही 2 दिवस की 3 दिवस पहिला आम्ही आमगेल वॅक्सिनेशन घेतलेले आणि 2 वीक्सान आमगेल इम्युनिटी जाता आणि मग 70 तक मगेल वेकेशन स्टार्ट जाता आणि जानेवारी 4 तक एंड जाता.
Middle vacation and our Texas avatas.
Oh,
Texas. Okay.
कौन असं? विहान? Texas कौन असं? Texas anku कौन असं? Uncle असं? Whom do you have? Which relative you have in Texas? Oh, just like that. Okay. Vacation.
Why?
So with that, we'll say the concluding prayers. Om Namah Shivaya. Sang Pranav.
Right. So at the 19th of December, my cousins are coming here.
Ah, nice. Vishnu.
No. It's actually.
My sister is visiting, so tigel kids, Vivek and Sarthak, the baby, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Coming from
Chicago.
Oh, okay.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
Nice, very nice.
I'm also going to you get fully vaccinated in 12 days. I
Yes.
got my second coronavirus shot day before yesterday.
Oh. How are you feeling now? You're feeling okay, Pranav?
Yeah.
Very nice.
दोन्ही डोस झाल्या
Wait.
सेकंड
Right.
घेऊनचे
चालेल, दोन्ही. I think
What about you, Vihan? Are you also vaccinated?
Miguel, don't do Miguel second dose just the day these food mat jalil.
Oh, very good.
Khushi?
How मग second dose how December 6th तारीख घेतलेला.
Oh, very
Oh,
Cool.
okay.
Priya, तुझं काय प्लॅन आहे वेकेशन आक?
Yeah, I think just yeah, okay.
How Christmas tree get check what's this?
डेकोरेट करता.
Wait.
Photo share kar Gondi. Send pictures on the group.
Very good. Great idea. Ritika, तुझं plans आहेत की holiday plans?
I think I'm gonna get my second dose soon.
Nice.
When are you getting it?
I'm not sure. I think we were supposed to take it yesterday, but I had a piano recital, so we couldn't get it.
Yeah, that's good. It's good you kept it after your recitals, or else you'll be drowsy. That's good. All the best for your second dose.
Thank you.
Looks like in 2 weeks all the kids will be completely vaccinated. So we can think of meeting and having play dates, and for the Gurukul teachers to also meet and meet in person after a long time.
Just one information want to pass on to all the children. काल टीव्ही इंतू सांगल्या की सगळे चेडू आणि सेकंड डोस घ्याना पण सुद्धा still continue to use the mask because they don't know much information about the Omicron virus. None of the countries know the full details. Emiti sakrank request karta sati cheradwank especially ki even if you take the second dose, please don't take it that easy. आणि खई बाहेर वतना mask घालून वचाती म्हणून. And follow the same restrictions like washing your hands several times, any sanitizer वापरचे, everything same follow.
Always good to be safe.
Yeah.
Shall we just meditate for maybe 5 times? Om Namah Shivaya will say together, and then we can end the class. Everybody unmute, please. Okay, sit straight. Ani battu maniyava. Gatti maniya, loud, so we can hear you. That.
Om Namah Shivaya. 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 Om.
Thank you everyone for attending.
Thank you. Happy New Year.
Yeah,
Happy New Year. Happy New Year to all. And have a
Happy
have a nice
holidays.
have a nice vacation. Be safe. Be safe.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
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 Bye.